Hi everyone, I'm Shreepriya, just your regular brown girl in Japan, and this is a story of how I got my student visa for MEXT to come to Japan. Let's go. Okay, so I received my MEXT scholarship in October of 2021. The final notification that I had gotten the scholarship came in June of 2021, and I officially flew to Japan in November. So that time was COVID time. It took a couple of months to get my airfare ticket, and after that I had to apply for the visa. That is how the process looks like. After you get your first notification that you have cleared the MEXT screening and you've gotten your MEXT scholarship, they will tell you to wait for a couple of months before they send you the final airline ticket. After you get your airline ticket, then you have to apply for the visa. What does the process for the visa application look like? Step number 1 is you have to call the visa section of the embassy within your area of jurisdiction. So for me, that was Embassy of Japan in Delhi. I had to call them and book my appointment. I got the appointment within a week and I had to prepare all my documents before the date of the appointment. What are the documents that are needed for the visa application? So the first document that you need is the visa application form. MEXT people will send you a link to the application form, but I'm going to attach it in the video description so you can download it from there. After you fill the application form, you also need a passport size photo with a white background. It is quite important, so I suggest you get a recent one. The third thing that you need is of course your passport. I suggest you also take your MEXT documents, whatever you have with you, in case they ask. They probably won't need it, but I think it's a good idea to take it to avoid any problems or inconsistencies later on. I was able to get my visa on the same day. They are pretty fast. It took probably less than 30 minutes. They don't take a separate photo or anything. Whatever you submit, they put the same photo on your visa. And I had to wait within the embassy. I went there with my mother, but they don't allow anybody inside the embassy except for the person who's going there for the visa application. If you're going there with your friends or your parents, make sure that they have some place to stay while waiting for the visa application. But for me, it took less than 30 minutes, so it was fine. I got my visa in October. So remember, I got the screening notification in June, then I got my airfare ticket, and then finally got my visa in October. I was able to fly to Japan in November. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you apply for the visa when you're coming via MEXT. And yeah, I hope that was useful, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.